Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today I'm very excited to bring you Poetic's Revolution case for the OnePlus N20. Let's take a look at it. You can currently find this case on Poetic's website for only $24.95 in black, with your choice of 2 additional colors such as navy blue and light pink being available for $2 more. In case this is your first time watching the channel, welcome, and let me introduce you to Poetic, a company that doesn't spend unnecessary money on frivolous things such as advertisement and glossy pictures, glossy packaging, stuff that doesn't really benefit you in the end. So in the box, you saw we just got a little insert and we got 2 packages. So we're gonna put this one aside for right now and let's find out what we got. So in this first package, we got the case. Let's get that nice peel. And let's go ahead and remove the back. And also get our second nice peel. The reason why I'm in love with Poetic is because they offer you a case that protects your phone from top to bottom, from head to toe, the moment you get it out of the box. You will get a face plate with a polycarbonate screen protector that will, again, have your phone protected from the day it comes out of its box. And then the rest of its case is going to be also a polycarbonate back so that it is abrasion and cut resistant, as well as having a thermoplastic polyurethane corners and sides so that your phone is protected against bumps, drops, and being rattled around in general. Now, once the case is fully applied on there, you can see that the phone is very nicely and very well protected. We can see very aggressive camera bumps. Wow, I think that's a solid 4mm, if anything 5 millimeters. So I would say a solid half a centimeter worth of camera lip on the back. If we look all around the case, we can see that our volume down and volume up buttons were very, very nicely labeled. Thank you Poetic for that. And then at the very top of the case, we're gonna see a hole, a very nice cutout for our pinhole microphone actually. And if we could go over to the other side of the case, we're going to see our power button very nicely labeled as well. Again, thank you Poetic. And if we rush over to the bottom of the case, we're going to see a cutout for our speakers. We're going to see these 2 little flaps that I am just delighted to see, because this flap covers your charging port and this other flap covers your auxiliary jack. Very often these are the very first things to go, as debris or anything really can get in there and just damage the port. And it's just nice to see that there's a little flap cover in there so that the ports aren't going to be damaged whenever you are not using them. Now, another thing that I very much like about these Revolution cases is that they do come in with a built-in kickstand. So if we look over on the back, we just pop it open like so. And not only is it able to display, or is it able to have a kickstand in landscape mode, it's also able to have it in portrait mode as well, which is very important since a lot of the apps that we use now are vertical, such as TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I don't really like it, but vertical integration is the way to go. So very nice to see that they have a vertical kickstand. Now, we're not going to do the drop test anymore because we've been with these cases well over a year and a half, and we saw that it took last time well over 20 tries for us to break the case. We're not going to go through that. We're not going to subject this phone to that abuse, because we know they're tried and true, we know they're tested. If you're curious to see how well they survive, you can click up here to watch our other videos where we definitely drop them and put them through their paces and definitely get to abuse them. At the very top, they did leave a very nice cutout for our earpiece as well as our light sensor. They're very, very small, but it's nice that they're individual cutouts. It prevents them from looking and feeling sloppy, and it just gives it that nice custom tailor-made look that certainly all of us appreciate from Poetic. Now, what sets Poetic apart from the majority and the rest of these companies is that, yeah, sure, you get a faceplate, yeah, cool, whatever. That's cool, right? However, what if you don't like the faceplate? What if you don't like the polycarbonate? What if you don't want anything coming in between you and your screen? What if you like the feel of bare glass? Or what if you want to apply your own tempered glass screen protector? Don't you worry. That's where Poetic, again, once more comes through, saves the day with their secondary faceplate. You see there's nothing in there. It's just a shell. It's just a faceplate that you put on top of your phone like so, and you are able to reinstall it once more into the case. And now you have a perfectly clean surface to either apply your own screen protector on or to be able to just use it like that, bare glass, without anything coming in between you and your screen. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this case? What are your thoughts on other budget brands? Do you have any other companies that you're aware of that are similar to Poetic, where they don't spend money on advertisement and they put all that money back into their research and development, back into their products, back into their ingredients, back into their items, so that they're able to give you a higher quality product? And as always, thanks for watching.